Hi there, happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, January 12th, 2021. It's another gray day out there. I'm wearing my new Raymond Elementary t-shirt. Um, Pretty nice shirt. And so I just recorded a whole video, and in the saving process, I lost it somehow. So I already did the schoolwork for today. So I'm going to talk through what's already done. So it's not going to be exactly the same as what I would have posted, but we are working out of the literacy packet, week 16. We're talking about the story Snowmen at Night, and we're on page 7. So on page 7, well, really page 6, you have a page that has all these little pictures on it, and one of them says in the story, one of them says not in the story. Okay? And your job is to take that page out, cut the pictures up, and make a little chart like this. Because some of the things that are in the pictures did happen in the story, some of the things that are in the pictures did not happen in the story. And if you are not sure what those things are, then I would recommend going and rewatching the story that I posted, because this is a good test to see what you remember and how well you were paying attention. So if you really didn't pay very well attention, just go watch it again. So, the first thing in the story is the little boy went outside. There was snow. He made a snowman with buttons and a scarf and a hat and everything. And then the next day he went outside and the snowman was kind of disheveled. And he thought, oh my gosh, I wonder what the snowmen do at night. So in the story, the snowmen drink ice cold cocoa. They go ice skating, they play baseball, and they sled down the hill. Now, they do not roast marshmallows or ride bikes or play with footballs. There's not a part in the story where they're catching snowflakes on their tongues. There is not a part of the story where they're feeding birds or building igloos. So, pause here, cut out your pictures, glue them on, and you can use this as a reference guide to see if you got the correct answers. Okay, when you're done with that, you're going to turn to page 8, and we're going to use our spelling word anxious, which means very eager or concerned, and we're going to write about an experience that made you feel anxious. So think about a time when you felt eager, but also kind of stressed or concerned. You know, like yesterday the example was I was anxious to find out who my first grade teacher was going to be, because you're excited, but you're also a little nervous to find out. So I wrote, I feel anxious about knowing when students will be back in school. That is my sentence, because I would like to have an answer. Make sure you put a period at the end. Make sure you have a capital letter at the beginning. You can copy down mine and change the wording, or you can come up with your own. Maybe you're also anxious to find out when you're going to come back to school in person, hopefully soon. Okay, when you're done with that, turn to page 9. And page 9 has some words down at the bottom. So you're going to cut the page in half, like this. You're going to take those words and you're going to cut them out and glue them at the top of the page. Okay, so the snowmen threw snowballs. I knew that the word "the" was the first word because it's the only one that has a capital letter. I know snowballs was the last one because it has a period at the end. And then I just asked myself, what did they do? The snowmen threw snowballs, and that makes perfect sense. Okay, so get that sentence figured out, and then go ahead and turn to the next page. On the next page, you're going to pull that page out. So pull out page 10, and there's a whole bunch of different pictures. There's a cave, a snake, a gate, a crab, a girl with steam coming out of her ears, a bag, and then there's these two little things here that says A_E, not A_E. So this is powerful E. So it has a powerful E. It does not have a powerful E. So cave, snake, gate, skate, cave. They all have a powerful E. If you look, they all have an E at the end of the word. So I cut the pictures out. I glued the ones that have a powerful E under the picture with the lion, and I wrote the word next to it. So do that here. And then I put does not have a powerful E. I cut out all the pictures of Things that do not, this is bag, crab, mad, and jam. I wrote those words all over here. They don't have an E at the end. The A in the middle of the word makes the short A sound ah. So that's a clue that it does not have a powerful E. Okay? And when you're done with that, then you are done with your reading literacy for Tuesday. And hopefully that video was a little shorter and to the point for you, and it'll give you a little more time to get your work done. So remember, pause the video at any point so you can check your work.